I'm going to show you a number of ways if the gimbal allows me to show it to you. We're going to show you how to connect your GoPro to the Inkee Falcone gimbal, and if you have an issue, you're going to find this very helpful. You're going to swipe down and you're going to go into your wireless connection, and you're going to make sure you turn your wireless connection on, and you're going to want to do either GoPro Quick App or the remote. I'm going to do the remote. It's saying connect to the remote. Now if I turn on my Inkee Falcone gimbal, we should connect like so. Not a problem. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to swipe down and I'm going to reset my gimbal. I am going to reset my GoPro, and I do apologize by saying gimbal. So now we're disconnecting from the gimbal. So if I turn my gimbal off and my gimbal is on, turning it on, we're not connecting. And we go and turn the Wi-Fi on. We make a connection. We go either to Quick App or the remote. I'm going to go to remote, and we're not going to connect. We're going to be like this. In order to connect your gimbal now to the remote, you're going to press this button once. You're going to see the blue lights, and you're going to do 8 quick presses. Once, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are now successfully connected. That is the manual way of connecting your gimbal to the GoPro. So now I could go and record. Give that a shot and that will fix your issue.